Recently, 28 conference of parties took place in Dubai. Let's discuss all the important outcomes of the climate summit. First, CoP28 countries agreed to launch Loss and Damage Fund, which will be hosted by World Bank for 4 years. An initial contribution of $800 million is made towards the fund. Secondly, CoP28 released the fifth iteration of the global stocktake, adopting the 8 steps to limit the global temperature rise to 1.5 degrees Celsius. These steps include tripling renewable energy capacity by 2030, phasing down of coal power, accelerating efforts globally towards net zero by around mid-century, accelerating zero and low emission technology, transitioning away from fossil fuel, reducing non-CO2 emission, that is methane emission reduction from road transport, phasing out of inefficient fossil fuel subsidies. Global stocktake is a process by which countries can judge their collective progress towards meeting the goal of Paris Agreement. Third, 66 countries committed to 68% reduction in cooling-related emissions by 2015 by a global cooling pledge. There was a discussion on crucial need for climate finance, which is currently unmet, leading to the developing countries facing distress. On the adaptation front, the launch of Global Goal on Adaptation framework highlighted the need of adaptation towards climate-induced water scarcity, changing agriculture, and climate-related health impacts. Sixth, the joint text called for tripling the global nuclear energy capacity by 2015. Seventh, a coalition involving government, businesses, and organizations focusing on coordination among stakeholders is launched, called as Powering Past Coal Alliance. India is not a part of it, as India is not committed to phase out coal. Eighth, a knowledge sharing and financial support by the name of Coal Transition Accelerator was also started. Ninth, 65 countries have signed the commitment for enhanced cooperation in climate strategies via Coalition for High Ambition Multi-Level Partnership, called as CHAMP, for making near-zero emission and resilient building a new normal. Building Breakthrough Initiative is launched by France and Kingdom of Morocco. There were several initiatives by India during the COP28, which showed active climate actions such as Global River Cities Alliance, Green Credit Initiative, Lead IT 2.0, Green Development Pact.